Hello students, how are you all? Today we will see comparing and ordering of fractions. In the previous classes, you are able to compare the numbers, whole numbers. You are able to compare numbers by looking at them like 2 and 3. So 3 will be greater than 2. In case of fractions, we will see if the numerators are same. Fractions with same numerator. Here on the board I have written 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6. In this numerator is same. Same I have shown with the figure. Here this triangle we have divided into 3 equal parts. The shaded portion is representing 1 upon 3. In this triangle we have divided into 2 equal parts and the shaded portion is representing 1 upon 2. The triangle has been divided into 6 equal parts and it is represented as 1 upon 6. The shaded portion is representing 1 upon 6. So from this shaded portion it is clearly visible that this is greater, right? Because out of the 2 parts we are taking 1. Here out of the 3 parts we are taking 1 and here out of the 6 parts we are taking 1 part. So when we are comparing, looking at the shaded portion, we have arranged like this. 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 6. This is the descending order, greater to smaller. So we can make one formula or we can compare if the numerators are same numerator, fractions with smaller denominator is greater. What it means? If fractions we are comparing and they have the same numerator, so how can we find which one is greater? By simply looking at the denominators. Smaller denominator, greater will be the fraction. See one more example. Here 3 upon 7, 3 upon 9 and 3 upon 2. Again the numerators are same. So among these three, which is the greatest fraction? जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा रहेगा, स्मॉल रहेगा, दैट विल बी द ग्रेटर. तो यहाँ पर 3 upon 7, 3 upon 9 and 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 will be the greater fraction among these three. And if you want to arrange them in descending order from greater to smaller, then the order will be 3 upon 2 is greater than 3 upon 7 and it is greater than 3 upon 9. So is it clear how to compare fraction with the same numerator? Now we will see fractions with same denominators.